Alright, here's your lesson for today. You're going to kneel down, sit down, or squat anywhere out in the middle of nowhere. You need to check where you're going to do that at. Because if you're unlucky like I was yesterday, you'll kneel into one of these little ant holes and you'll get ants all over your legs, in your shoes, in your socks, up your pants. And these little creatures here, they bite. So that's not much fun. Oh, isn't he cute? Look at him carrying in his food. Anyway, this is how I'm entertaining myself out here in the middle of nowhere, is watching all these little creatures.